Welcome to the heart of South America, the Amazon jungle, an ecological marvel that stretches across multiple countries. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, covers over 6.7 million square kilometers. Its towering trees, vibrant plants, and diverse array of wildlife make it one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. From the iconic jaguars and colorful macaws to the intricate ecosystems of the forest floor, the Amazon is a living canvas of life. Every species plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of this remarkable environment. Flowing through the heart of the jungle is the mighty Amazon River, the second longest river in the world. Its waters harbor an astonishing diversity of aquatic life, from the elusive pink river dolphins to the mighty piranhas. But the Amazon is not just a wilderness, it's also home to vibrant, indigenous communities. These diverse groups have thrived in harmony with nature for centuries, possessing valuable knowledge about medicinal plants, sustainable practices, and the interconnectedness of life. Yet this extraordinary ecosystem faces significant threats. Rampant deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development, poses a grave danger to the Amazon's future and the global climate. Fortunately, there are inspiring efforts to address these challenges. Conservation initiatives, sustainable development projects, and advocacy work are striving to protect the Amazon and empower local communities. The fate of the Amazon is interconnected with the well-being of our planet. The more we understand and appreciate this incredible ecosystem, the better equipped we are to contribute to its conservation. As the sun sets over the Amazon, let this be a reminder of the urgency and the beauty of preserving this vital ecosystem. Our actions today determine the legacy we leave for generations to come.